Okay, so the question at hand is how can we prevent future cases of defamation in Canada? So, in order to prevent future cases of defamation, several changes can be made to Canadian law. Firstly, the legal definition of defamation should be clarified and made more precise. Currently, the definition of defamation in Canada is broad and can be interpreted in different ways by different courts. This can lead to inconsistent decisions and a lack of certainty for individuals and organizations. By providing a clear and concise definition of defamation, the law would be more effective in protecting individuals' reputations and deterring potential defamers. Secondly, the burden of proof in defamation cases should be shifted from the plaintiff to the defendant. Under current Canadian law, the burden of proof is on the plaintiff to prove that the statements made about them are false and have caused them harm. However, this can be difficult to do, especially in cases where defamatory statements are made on the internet, where it can be difficult to trace the source. By shifting the burden of proof to the defendant, it would be easier for individuals to hold defamers accountable for their actions. Thirdly, the law should be amended to allow for greater damages to be awarded in defamation cases. Currently, damages in defamation cases are often limited to compensating the plaintiff for the harm that they have suffered. However, this does not always provide an accurate deterrent for potential defamers. By allowing for greater damages to be rewarded, such as punitive damages, the law would provide a stronger deterrent against defamation. This is evident in the case of Jovina, I believe her name was, against those two football players. Had she actually had a threat of punishment more serious than just a year in jail, likely those two young men's career would not have been destroyed the way it was. Lastly, the law should be updated to reflect the reality of the internet and social media. With the rise of social media and the internet, defamation has become more prevalent and traditional legal remedies may not be as effective. The law should be updated to allow for the removal of defamatory content from the internet and to hold online platforms accountable for the content that is posted on their sites. In conclusion, Canadian law can be changed to prevent future cases of defamation by clarifying and providing a precise definition of defamation, shifting the burden of proof from the plaintiff to the defendant, allowing for greater damages to be awarded, and updating the laws to reflect the reality of the internet and social media. These changes would provide greater protection for individuals' reputations and provide a stronger deterrent against defamation.